Hi, Tracy Hugelmeyer here with VintagepreneurUniversity.com, where I help vintage sellers start, grow, and scale their business on Etsy. I also own my own vintage business, Rustic Eye, on Etsy that I've had since 2013. And today I'm going to show you a fun little trick for Instagram, and that is to use Linktree if you have more than one item or more than one link to feature in your Instagram account. So I will show you how to do that. I'm going to go ahead and jump behind the screen and let's get started. Okay, so here I am in my Instagram profile page for Rustic Eye, my vintage Etsy shop. And you can see this little link here, Linktree/the Rustic Eye. Now, you can only include one link here in Instagram. I'll show you what I mean in a moment. So that's why if you have more than one link that you want to include or to send people to, then Linktree is a really easy and free way to do this. So let me show you really quickly. If you're in your profile, if you click on Edit Profile, you only, as you can see, have one place to put a website. So that's what I'm talking about when I say you have one place to put a link. And this is the link that you're going to include, your Linktree link, if you use this method. So let me show you. So you're going to go ahead and go to Linktree, and I will link that in the notes for you, but the dot is in between the R and the first E. It's kind of tricky. It's not linktree.com or anything like that. And if you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up for a free account, but I'm going to go ahead and log in. Okay, so here I am in my Linktree profile, and a couple things to note here. Really handy on the side, you're going to see exactly what it'll look like to somebody else if they click on your Linktree link. And then what you can do is you can add any new links that you want to. You can make them visible or not visible just by clicking on this little green toggle. And you can add things, as many as you want here. I actually don't know that there's a limit. I've never reached it. But like you can see that at one point I had the Christmas shipping deadlines here. If I wanted to turn that back on, I could. I'll just leave that because I'll probably want it, for this coming season pretty soon. But other things that you can use here or other links you might want to add here are if you are holding a sale and you want to send somebody directly to your sale link or directly to a section that's on sale. If you are, just announced a new item and you want to link directly to that item, you can put right here, whatever you want in this title. So you could put something like new or, just in or new, whatever. Vintage scale, we'll just say, and then you put the exact URL that listing is located at and put the little toggle here, and there it is right on top, or you can move it too. So let's say I don't want that one to be on top. I want it to be below the others. I can do that. You have a lot of flexibility here. I'm going to go ahead and delete that one because I don't want that one. But if you have a new blog post and you want to show that, you can do that. Now, the only thoughts or the only thing that I do want to point out here is you want to be very strategic about where you send people. You don't want to give them a bazillion options because people don't make decisions very well when they have a bazillion options. So try to keep it, to just a two to three options. It could be your most current thing that's going on and then your email list, or your most current thing that's going on and, where to go to shop for your products in general. So just keep it relevant and keep it simple. Those are my two best pieces of advice when using Linktree. But I love it because usually you have more than one thing that you want to showcase, and you can easily do that. But just make sure that you're going in here consistently and you're updating this. So now let me show you what this looks like when somebody clicks on it, you can see what it's going to look like right here, but I'm going to show you actually on Instagram. So here I am back in my Instagram profile, and if somebody clicks, they're going to see the list, just like we set it up. And then if they click on the link, they're going to go to wherever they were sent, or whatever link that you included there. Make sense? All right, that's Linktree. So if you have more than one link that you are wanting to send someone to, don't overdo it by putting 500 links there, because people are going to look at 500 links and they're just going to be like, whoa, I don't know what to do. They're not going to do anything. So you want to keep it simple for them. 2 to 3 things in your Linktree. And if you liked this video and you want to get my most up-to-date tips and tricks, I'm going to include a link that you can sign up to get those. And also, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell as well so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you so much for joining me today, and have a great rest of your day. Bye!